Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to convert any document to PDF for free. You can do this work through your phone as well as on computer. It will be better for you to make PDFs on phone as printer is not available in phone. In computer, without this app also you can easily print any document. So watch this full video as it will be of your great help to make PDFs on mobile, Android or iPhone. Okay.
Welcome everyone. Please, today I am going to show you that how you can convert a PDF or create a PDF easily with free of cost without any subscription. We all know that from Adobe or from other we have for other we have to convert them by using subscription. So today I am going to show you that how you can convert your PDF means any type of Word, JPG in free subscription. Uh, Generally, for GPGs, many of the apps are provided in Google Play Store, but now I am going to show you that how you can convert Word into PDF. So for that we have to go to Google Chrome. For first for that we have to get an file in Word, MS Word, any type of MS Word. Then for that we have to type here best free PDF creators online. This will be showing. We came here, then we have to click on this free pdfconverter.com. We have to click here. This is a page and you have to choose a file here. So I'm choosing file and like it's a biology project, so I'm selecting this. See, it has been converted Word to PDF converter. It's the best website converting the PDF, and you can download this in the uh, desktop also. Like this, to create this more tools, then create a shortcut. You will be clicking and it will be created a shortcut. See, this has been downloaded and we will be downloading as PDF, and this has been downloading. See, this has been downloaded. See, this tool has been downloaded as PDF. That was done in Word. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to have subscribe this video and